Hey friends, this just in. We are about to watch a very, very important PowerPoint. Yes, you heard it here first. You must learn the notes on the staff. This is breaking news. You must learn the notes on the staff. So, watch the PowerPoint really carefully and see you next time. This is breaking news. Miss Winckler, peace out. Learn your notes.
Hey friends, today we are doing reading note names on the staff. It's important that you get comfortable with looking at a staff and knowing the line notes and the space notes and what their names are. So here you see that the space notes from bottom to top spell the word face, which makes it nice because it spells a word. And the line notes from bottom to top are EGBDF. And when we look at this slide, you can see that if we can remember the line notes from bottom to top have a mnemonic device, or we say a sentence. If you can remember every good boy does fine, that's very helpful in identifying the line notes on the staff. Remember, always start from bottom and go to the top. Obviously, to remember the space notes, it's much easier because they spell the word face. Space 1 is F, space 2 A, space 3 C, and space 4 is E. Here's a staff with all the notes in the music alphabet order. It starts at the bottom with line note E and goes all the way to the top, line note F. You will notice that the staff notes have some letters that repeat, and that is correct. Once we have gotten through all the letters in the music alphabet, the notes repeat again, just at different octaves. After you see the note G in the staff, you start over with A and go up from there. Here is a staff with all the line notes in it. Remember, we start at the bottom, so we would say for all the line and space notes, E, F, G, A, B, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Then you have to be able to go backwards. F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E. And you'll get better at it as you go along and you do it more often. So here, in the next few slides, we'll be practicing identifying the notes on the staff. To make it easier, each example spells a word. Since the music alphabet has 2 vowels in it, we can make words easily using the music alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G. In this example, the notes in order from left to right spell the word cab. Space 3 is C, space 2 is A, and line 3 is B. Who can figure out which word the following staff notes spell? Challenge yourself to get them all correct. Think about, do I see notes that are on the same line or space? So in this example, you see that the top or first letter is the same as the last letter. It's a 3-letter word. So the first note is a D, line 4. The second note is space 2. That's the note A. And if you look at the next note, it's just like the first note. So it must be a D. If you said that's Dad, you are a rock star. Who can figure out the next word? Using what you know, every good boy does fine, and face, the line 3 is always, yep, B. Good job. Space 4 at the top is E, and line 4 is a D, and that spells the word bed. Good job if you got that correct. Moving on. Looking at this one, the first note is on line 3. Remember, line 3 is always B. Space 4 is E. And line 2, every good is a G. And that spells the word beg. So if you knew that was beg, you are doing awesome. Here's your next word. The first note is A. Oh, we have two notes that are on the same line. They have to be the same note. So if you said D, you are correct. And the next note is D. That spells the word add. Good job if you got it right. Hopefully you're keeping track of all the ones you've gotten right so far. Oh no, this one has 4 letters. It's a 4-letter word. Now, if you remember that the space notes spell a word from bottom to top, you will have aced this one. Remember? F-A-C-E. It spells the word face. If you got it right, pat yourself on the back. Moving on to the next word. It's only a 3-letter word. We've got this, kids. Space 2 is an A. Space 3 is C. Space 4 is E. That spells ace. Good job. You aced this word. Uh-oh, another 4-letter word. Look at it. Can you figure out what word that is? All right, let's figure it out together. Space 3 is C. Space 2 is A. Line 2 is G. And line 1 is E. What does that spell? Cage. Good job. You're rocking it, kids. All right, let's look at the next one. We have space 2. That note is A. Line 2 is G. Line 1 is E. We know that spells age. What is your age? Good job. Way to go, guys. You are a rock star. Hope this was helpful to start your journey into reading and notes on the staff. Remember, the notes never change. Once you see the treble clef sign, you can be confident that they are always the same notes on the lines and spaces that we have been practicing. Keep up the good work. You guys are rock stars. Way to go.